Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fire TV Stick 4K easy guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Fire TV Stick 4K and ensure you have all components. Connect the Fire TV Stick to an available HDMI port on your TV. Make sure to remember which HDMI port you used. Plug the included USB power cable into the Fire TV Stick. Connect the other end of the USB cable to the power adapter. Now, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet for power. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where the Fire TV Stick is connected. You should see the Fire TV logo appear on the screen. Take the remote and insert the included batteries. Press the home button on the remote to start the setup process. The remote should automatically pair with the Fire TV Stick. If it doesn't, hold the home button for about 10 seconds. Choose your preferred language from the on-screen options. Connect your Fire TV Stick to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the remote. Once connected, the Fire TV Stick will check for updates. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. After the updates, you'll need to log in to your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. You may also have the option to set up voice controls with Alexa. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main menu. Explore the user interface and browse available apps and channels. Customize your home screen by adding your favorite apps. Finally, you are ready to start streaming on your Fire TV Stick 4K. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.